In my previous video, we talked about how to take a number in standard form and convert it to scientific notation. Scientific notation just means you're taking a really big or a really small number and writing it into a format that's easier to understand, all by using the powers of 10. Today, we're going to do the reverse and take a number in scientific notation and convert it back to standard form. Solving for numbers written in scientific notation follows the same principles that we have already talked about in previous videos when looking to multiply numbers by a power of 10. An example of a number written in scientific notation is here. 7.65 times 10 to the 6th power. If we were to write this number in standard form, we would start with 7.65, add some zeros to the right because our exponent is positive, and then move the decimal to the right 6 times. When we do that, we get a number of 7,650,000. Let's try another example. 7.65 times 10 to the negative 4th power. We know that a negative exponent means we're going to be moving the decimal to the left. So we add some zeros in front of our 7 and move the decimal over 4 places. 7.65 times 10 to the negative 4th power is 0.000765 in standard form, 765 millions. Let's do 2 more real quick. 2.456 times 10 to the 3rd power. We start by looking at our number of 2.456, and we know we're going to move the decimal to the right 3 places because the exponent index is positive. There are 3 numbers after our decimal, so there's no need to add any extra zeros. The answer in standard form is 2,456. Let's take 2.456 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. We know negative 3rd power means moving the decimal to the left. Since there is only 1 digit in front of the decimal, we know we need to add a couple of zeros up front. We move the decimal 3 spots, and our number in standard form is 0.002456. So that's basically it for converting numbers from scientific notation back to standard form. A lot of this goes right along with other things that we've already talked about with the powers of 10. If you need a refresher, I'll drop a link to those videos in the description. Keep an eye out for a knowledge check on this topic so you can walk through several examples on your own and then watch to see if we get the same answer. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't, make sure to subscribe. Thanks.